I am always surprised by how many people own an Apple TV or an Apple TV 4K and never use it to its full potential. So in this video, I want to walk you through 21 tips, tricks, and hidden features that most people do not know about. These can turn you into a true power user and unlock a lot of genuinely useful capabilities, which, in my opinion, makes this one of the best streaming devices out there. On Tech Vibes, this is exactly the kind of hidden feature deep dive we love covering, so let's get right into it. Number 21. We all know your Apple TV has Siri built in, and sure, you can ask it for the weather or the time in London. But did you know you can ask, "What did they just say?" While you are watching a show or a movie, press the side button or just say the Siri command and ask that question. It will rewind about 10 to 15 seconds, turn on closed captions, and play the line again. That way, you are not rewinding, pausing, and turning up the volume over and over just to catch one line of dialogue. It is a simple feature, but I use it constantly. Number 20. Did you know you can double tap the Apple TV button to bring up recent apps, just like on your iPhone or iPad? If you have several apps open and you are multitasking, or you just want to jump back to something you were watching earlier, double press the Apple TV button and swipe through your open apps on the touchpad. You can also close them the same way you would on your phone by swiping up, which is handy if your device is running a little slow with too many apps open. And speaking of shortcuts, if you are deep inside an app or buried in settings, instead of hitting the back button repeatedly, just press and hold the menu button. No matter where you are, it will always bring you straight back to the home screen. Number 18. This might be my favorite on the entire list. Picture in picture. This lets you play two things on your TV at once. You could have a movie or a show taking up the full screen, and in the corner, a smaller window playing something completely different. Maybe a live stream cast from your phone, or a sporting event you are waiting to start. Once it begins, you can switch that smaller window to full screen. It is a genuinely convenient way to keep an eye on two things simultaneously. Great for sports fans juggling two games at once. Number 17. You can fully customize your screensaver. The default nature scenes are beautiful, but if you have a favorite category, underwater shots, or aerial drone footage over landscapes, you can select that specifically in settings. Or if you would rather see your own photos and home videos instead, you can set those as your screensaver too.
Number 16. This one makes IT much easier to access content you actually care about, and IT works especially well on the Apple TV and Apple Music apps. By default, hovering over an app on your home screen shows suggested content. You can change this to show Up Next instead, which displays shows you have already started or titles you have specifically added to your watch list. To set this up, go to Settings, then Apps, then choose TV or Music, and look for the shelf setting. Select IT until IT switches to Up Next. From there, you can long press the select button on any show to add IT directly to your Up Next list, making IT much faster to find what you actually want to watch. Number 15. You can AirPlay and mirror your screen directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This is useful for presentations, video calls, sharing photos from a recent trip with a group, or just throwing a video from your phone up onto the big screen. IT is one of the strongest advantages of owning an Apple TV if you are already in the Apple ecosystem. Number 14. Siri can do far more than answer trivia. You can use IT to switch apps, download new apps, or even open a specific episode of a specific season within an app. You can also say things like, "Go back 16 minutes," or "Fast forward 2 minutes" in a show. Personally, I use IT constantly to download apps and jump straight into what I want to watch, barely touching the remote at all. Of every Siri implementation across Apple's ecosystem, I think Apple TV does IT best. If hidden features like these are new to you, that is exactly why Tech Vibes exists. Hit subscribe right now, because every week we uncover more tricks like this across all your favorite devices, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Let's keep going. Number 13. You can type using Siri instead of the default keyboard, which many people find clunky. For emails or passwords, Siri lets you spell things out letter by letter, including capital letters, which most voice assistants struggle with. As a bonus, you can also connect a Bluetooth keyboard through settings if you would rather type the traditional way. Number 12. You can use Apple Arcade with a Bluetooth game controller. Pairing one is simple. Just go into your Bluetooth settings and connect IT like any other device. You can also pair AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones the same way. Press and hold the home button to quickly select your audio source, which is great if you want to listen privately without disturbing anyone else in the room. Number 10. You can also connect HomePods to your Apple TV. If your television does not have a soundbar, built-in TV speakers are often disappointing, and HomePods, whether the original size or the mini, can pair wirelessly as a stereo pair without using up any extra ports on your TV. Number 9. On the home screen, press and hold the select button on any app to rearrange your layout or delete apps entirely. This helps declutter your home screen so the apps you actually use are easier to find. Number 8. You can customize what the TV button does in Settings under Remotes and Devices. By default, IT opens the Apple TV app, but you can set IT to go straight to your home screen instead, which many people find more useful day to day. Number 7. Under Settings, then Accessibility, then Shortcuts, you can set up a triple click on the menu button to trigger a quick action. While most of these shortcuts are built for accessibility, one that is broadly useful is toggling closed captions instantly, perfect for when there is sudden background noise and you need to read the dialogue fast. Number 6. Many modern TV remotes can control your Apple TV directly, including volume and playback, so you do not need to juggle multiple remotes across your living room.
Number 5. You can swipe on the touchpad of your Apple TV remote while pause to scrub back and forth frame by frame. This is more precise than asking Siri to jump backward or forward when you need to land on an exact moment. Number 4. You can use your iPhone or even your Apple Watch as a remote control. The Apple Watch option is especially handy since it is strapped to your wrist, so it is nearly impossible to misplace, unlike a remote that slides between couch cushions. Number 3. To get the best picture quality, go to Settings, then Color and Audio, then Color Balance. You can use your iPhone's front-facing camera to calibrate your screen's color automatically. Note that if your TV already supports Dolby Vision, your Apple TV will typically tell you calibration is not necessary since the color is already accurate. Number 2. You can toggle dark mode on or off by going to Settings, then General, then Appearance, depending on whether you prefer a brighter or darker interface. Number 1. If you have young children at home, go to Settings, then Restrictions, and set up a PIN. This lets you control exactly what content is available to them, gate kept behind a code only you know. So those are 21 of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features on the Apple TV. This was demonstrated on the 4K model, but nearly all of these work across other Apple TV generations as well. If you know a hidden feature I did not mention, drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And I am always excited to learn something new myself. If this video helped you get more out of your device, hit like. And if you are not subscribed to Tech Vibes yet, now is a great time. We post new tech tips and hidden features every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.